Solder the Flexray controller in the board above. First look at the white point in the board, it's pin number 1. This matches to the black mark on the chip, which is also pin number 1. So we place it above in this way. Then pay attention, don't let the pin bend, otherwise you need to straight them up and then place the chip. Pay attention to align all the 64 pins to the position. Okay, done. Now to install the chip on the board, solder it by adding tin on all the 4 sides. And the pin should be touching the soldering joint so that we can fix it to the board. Then we add soldering paste to improve the quality of our soldering. Make sure you add tin on each pin. If you use too much strength, you may bend the pin or burn the ECU, so be careful. Then we clean it with a PCB cleaner. After, look at the soldering in detail. Check if there isn't any tin between 2 pins making a shortcut. Check carefully every single pin to make sure everything is okay. Okay, everything looks fine here. We can now install it on the car.